Here are this week's vocabulary words. Rustled, appeared, crops, develop, edge, golden, shining, stages. The leaves rustled in the wind. If something rustled, it made a soft noise as it was moved. Appeared. Buds appeared on the tree in early spring. If something appeared, it came into sight. Crops. The farmer grows crops of corn and wheat. Crops are large numbers of plants that are grown for food. Develop. The tadpole will develop into a frog. When things develop, they grow and change. The ball rolled off the edge of the table. The edge of something is the line or border where it begins or ends. The golden sun shone in the blue sky. Something that is golden is bright and yellow like gold. Bill and I were shining flashlights on the book so we could read at night. If something is shining, it is giving out light. Egg, caterpillar, and butterfly are stages in a butterfly's life cycle. Stages are steps in a process.